Female Yorkie names: Abby, Aria, Ava, Bella, Brandy, Brooke, Callie, Chloe, Clara, Ellie, Emma, Flory, Gracie, Hannah, Harper, Izzy, Layla, Lori, Lexi, Liv, Lottie, Mel, Mia, Paisley, Reagan, Riley, Sarah, Sophie, Viola, Zoe. Male Yorkie names: Aiden, Archie, Bailey, Billy, Caden, Connor, Dylan, Ethan, Ewan, Evan, Freddie, Gabe, Grayson, Harry, Henry, Jackson, Jake, Leo, Liam, Logan, Lucas, Mason, Maddie, Miles, Ned, Noah, Ollie, Owen, Sammy, Seb. Cute Yorkie names: Angel, Apples, Baby, Banjo, Bon Bon, Bounty, Bubbles, Butterscotch, Buttons, Cadbury, Candy, Dolly, Droplet, Fudge, Herbie, Hula, Jelly Tot, Kinder, Licorice, Lolly, Mento, Mingle, Nibbles, Sherbert, Skittles, Snickerdoodle, Star, Twirl, Whirl, Whisper. Cool Yorkie names: Ace, Bonnie, Bowie, Brisk, Bruce, Buddy, Carly, Cash, Cher, Cherry, Dusty, Elvis, Fox, Freddy, Galaxy, Jagger, Jarvis, Jet, Joni, Cat, Lemmy, Livewire, Mist, Nikki, Ozzy, Picnic, Sinead, Sprite, Stevie, Tango. Teacup Yorkie names: Bee, Binky, Bitsy, Boots, Bud, Bite, Chi Chi, Chip, Confetti, Cupcake, Dew, Elf, Fifi, Fizzy, Gem, Gummy, Jewel, Missy, Mouse, Niggle, Nudge, Paws, Pebbles, Pocket, Rascal, Smidge, Smudge, Tiara, Tiptoe, Zuzu. Funny Yorkie names: Axel, Boomer, Bubba, Cheese, Chomp, Crush, Dogzilla, Dozer, Fanta, Fiesta, Grape, Grizzle, Hagrid, Hellboy, Hotter, Hulk, Jello, Juggernaut, Kong, Mars, Mr. Pip, Octane, Pop, Santa, Squirt, Tank, Thor, Unicorn, Wham, Zeus. Yorkie hunting names: Rocket, Viper, Eagle, Hunter, Bullet, Archer, Bolt, Blaze, Bullseye, Gunner, Rocky, Tank, Saber, Blade, Hawkeye, Rambo, Thor, Legolas, Ygritte, Bear. Famous Yorkie names: Rhodey, Miley Cyrus, Jack, Hilary Duff, Poncho, Missy Elliott, Doogie, Whitney Houston, Spike, Donny Osmond, Wiz, Natalie Portman, Tiger, Ivanka Trump, Enzo, Vanessa Williams, London, Britney Spears, Frankie, Miranda Kerr/Orlando Bloom, Dakota, Lindsay Lohan, Daisy, Carmen Electra, Mr. Famous, Audrey Hepburn, Freak, Anastasia, Zippy, Allison Hannigan. Good Yorkie names last their lifetime. They are easy for you to say, for your dog to understand, and the locals at the dog park to hear called out a few times a day. Try to pick something that resonates with you, and that suits your puppy's appearance or personality. Whatever you choose, we wish you and your adorable new Yorkie a lifetime of happiness together.